Welcome to Cybersecurity Readout. Today, we're diving into the NIST Cybersecurity Framework. Born from an executive order in 2013, the framework is a guide to help organizations manage and reduce cybersecurity risk. It's like a cybersecurity GPS, providing a flexible, repeatable, and cost-effective approach to navigate the complex world of cyber threats. Why NIST? Well, they're a non-regulatory federal agency, an unbiased source of scientific data and practices. They're like the trusted friend you turn to for advice, with a history of successful collaborations. The framework was developed through extensive engagement with stakeholders in government, industry, and academia. It's a product of collective wisdom, incorporating comments from over 3,000 workshop attendees and 15,000 comments received during its development. So, remember, in the world of cybersecurity, the NIST framework is your trusted roadmap. Stay safe out there.